Look what I found while hiking in the forest. We got a bunch of bunnies nestled up in front of their den. Heavy foliage and 3 spruce trees. These spruce trees are the same that are in the picnic campground tutorial. I'll have a link for that in the description. This is on a 16 by 16 stud base plate. Now this is going to be a portion of a larger mock, and it will have a storyline behind it. So I do have a tree growing in the rock, some flowers on a bush, and lots of greenery. Seeing that some of us are cooped up inside, this is pretty much the only way we can escape. So we have a couple of bunnies outside. So consider this as a spoiler for a future mock. Well, mocks I should say. There's going to be several mocks and maybe a few tutorials behind this.